How to log in into Equity Bank online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Equity Bank account online. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and search for the Equity Bank. There in the second line, you can see the Equity Bank official account. Tap on it. Once you are on the home page, click on the login button in the top right corner written as Easy. Tap on the option Login and Manage Account. Then you need to select the country. It is the Bank of Kenya, so we are taking Kenya and tap on the Proceed. Now you will be directed towards the login page. Enter your username and password in the respective field. After entering your details, click on the login button. And that's it. Now you are logged in into the Equity Bank online account where you can manage your account, view your statement and make transactions. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.